get your Tupac in and make you looking at boy. Individuals is around a face ass boy. Tight do-rag wearing ass boy. What you got on your work shirt? What you got on your work shirt? Ain't no fucking live song.
Hey! 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 Hey!
You a real bitch.
Phineas and Ferb are making a title sequence.
Gang. What's up, TrizzyFunny gang? Gang. Gang. Hey! Y'all, I'm back here with another banger, baby. Look, man, I got a special prank for y'all, man. We back on the Monkey app, bro. I'ma act like I got drunk on Monkey, bro. So this ain't no real Hennessy, man. I got, you got the little tint, the little ling, you know what I'm saying? We got apple juice in this joint, you know what I'm saying? I don't drink, I don't do that shit, bro. But it's apple juice, ain't no Hennessy in this joint, right? I got this empty bottle of tequila. I don't know what this is. I found this outside. It's called sᴏᴄɪᴜᴜ or something. But look, man, it's called the drunk prank on Monkey. Subscribe to the gang, you know what I'm saying? TrizzyFunny gang. Hey! Like this video, comment down what you do next, you know what I'm saying? And let's get into this video, man. I'm out of breath.
Nigga, are you drunk? Are you okay? No, this nigga. Hey, wake up! You slobbing. Trizzy Trey, how you doing? You alright? You alright? You alright, yes, sir? Yeah?
Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, you in New York?
Yo, hey.
Y'all niggas love Monkey, dog.
Yo, hey.
Ask some time so I can flame you and you drinking that.
Hey.
Ask some time so I can flame you, brother. Add it.
Yo.
Hey! You wanted me to flame you because you drunk? That's what it is. Go get your Tupac in and make you looking at boy. Individuals is around a face ass boy. Tight do-rag wearing ass boy. What you got on your work shirt? What you got on your work shirt? Ain't no fucking live song.
Hey! 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 Hey!
You a real bitch. Oh, you fucked up. I'm adding time so I can see this. Hey, follow me, bro. Yeah, if you gonna commit suicide, add him so I can see it. No, I'm just playing, bro. You alright? Get up, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? Get your ass up. Wake up, bro. You good? Oh, wake up. I know Henny ain't do that to you because I drink Henny all the time.
What is that?
Oh, stop. Do you need glasses? Nice piercing.
Oh, shit.
Sorry with me, bro. Sorry with me.
What the fuck is you doing, boy, getting fucked up over there? All that Hennessy.
Listen here, you motherfucker, you fucking bitch. I don't like when you talk to me like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I need to get some more apple juice, man. I am running out of Hennessy, man. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Okay, fuck your mom. That was ugly, bro.
Trizzy Trey, hi, is that a bottle of Henny? Can you take a sip in front of us? Why he look depressed? Hello?
Hey. What the fuck?
High time. You good? What's up? Is that a nose piercing?
Fuck, man.
Drink some. Oh. Nice. He acting drunk. He ain't no drunk. He is faking. Are you drunk? Fake ass nigga. He's a fake ass. He fake. No, that Hennessy really be hitting. But not him. That nigga's drunk. Actually, you didn't see his nigga screenshot. Nigga screenshot. Então, rayo, manito, no está acá. Yo, get up.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up, man! It's not funny, man.
I thought myself.
It's not. It's not funny. It's not funny. That niggas. That's fucked up.
What up, boy? What's Brandon?
Oh.
What's y'all on, boy? What's up? Hey, at that time.
Huh?
At that time. What up, boy? What you up to?
Nah, man. That's for my last life, bro. My last day. Fuck this shit, bro.
Your last day of what?
On this damn earth, bro.
Work?
You know, this earth.
This earth, boy. What you talking about?
I'm tired. I'm just tired of shit, man. For real.
Bro, this shit's crazy. Yeah, bro.
This shit crazy, bro. I can't do this shit no more, bro.
At that time, boy.
I can't do this shit no more, bro.
At that time, boy. At that time.
I can't do this shit, bro. But I can't do this shit no more, man.
At the time, boy. At the time.
I can't do this shit no more, man.
At the time, boy.
I can't do this shit no more, man.
Hey, juice done, nigga. At the time, boy.
Bro, I can't. And that's how you act. And that's the end of the video, man. I need y'all to subscribe to this channel, man. TrizzyFunny gang, man. Just the drunken app prank, the drunken monkey prank, whatever we were gonna call it, man. Got the Hennessy on deck, apple juice. Yeah, like this video, man. Like it up. It really helps me. Cuz, please, like this shit. We're gonna get more bangers in this joint, bro. I swear. And let's get it, man. Ah! Oh.
Hey, I like bitch who a germ ass. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me no more. Hey, she kick me out on life, bro.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?